Welcome to the Baseface Network.
The first thing you need to do in PC disassembly is remove the cover of the system unit. Step 2. Disconnect all power connectors. Step 3. Disconnect flat cables and SATA connector. Step 4. You need to remove the front panel connectors. Step 5. Remove all the drivers. Step 6. Remove the memory. When removing memory, you need to hold it on the edges. Step 7. Remove the power supply unit. Step 8. Remove the heatsink and fan. Step 9. Remove the motherboard. The last thing you need to remove in PC disassembly is the processor. The first thing you need to do in PC assembly is install the processor. Step 2. Install the motherboard. Step 3. Install the heatsink and fan. Step 4. Install the memory. Reminder, hold it on the edges. Step 5. Install the power supply unit. Step 6. Install all the drivers. Step 7. Connect all front power connectors. Install the flat cables or SATA connectors. Step 9. Install the power connectors. The last thing you need to do in PC assembly is install the cover of the system unit.